Hi guys, if you saw my last video you'd have seen that I recently purchased Snow Leopard. So today I'm going to do the unboxing. I have my MacBook here ready to install it. My hard drive's down here. I backed up all my stuff on there last night, so I should be good to go. While I try and get into this, a couple of things I didn't mention in my last video. I'm currently recording off my Kodak ZX1, which I got for Christmas. And the reason the quality isn't that good is because I'm filming in my sister's dingy apartment, and the lighting's not that good. And the Kodak ZX1 doesn't really handle that well in low light. Let's see what we've got in here. It's not really much of an unboxing because there's not really that much in there. Designed by Apple in California, as per usual. Some slides on it. So there's the install disc. We found quick start guide. Oh yeah, basic features I guess. Yeah. And some Apple stickers, which is nice. So I'm going to cut it here and I'll put the disc in. Alright guys, so I just put the disc in. I'm filming my MacBook now, so I'm not sure if you can see that. I'll click install. Trying to hold my camera really steady because it doesn't have any image stabilization, so it can be quite shaky. Click continue. Just quickly read all that. Yep, got all that. Agree. Yeah, I'm still in my hard drive. Click. Alright, okay. Install. Install. Password. So I'm not sure. Oh, quit that. Right. It says it's going to take 45 minutes. I'm not sure. So I'll cut it here and you'll rejoin the action when something interesting happens. Here we are guys, inside of Snow Leopard. Everything went fine. It took about 45 minutes to install. I didn't lose any data or anything, so that's alright. So far it looks nice. Yeah, I haven't had much time to play around with it, but I will do over the next few days. There we have it. Version 10.6. My next video is going to be the Google Chrome review that I was supposed to do a couple of days ago. I didn't get around to it. So yeah, thanks for watching, have a good one.